Hello, Australia. This is Lisette Sutherland from Collaboration Superpowers coming at you today from the Netherlands. And I just wanted to announce that I'm going to be in Melbourne on the 28th of February to speak at the first conference. And I would love to see you there. We're going to dive deeply into how to be a high-performing distributed agile team. Now, I'm going to stay for 2 weeks to give the Work Together Anywhere workshop in Melbourne and Sydney, in Adelaide, and in Brisbane. So I hope that I'll be able to meet you in person in one of those cities. And of course, I'll be speaking at a variety of places while I'm there. I've got a couple of free days open in my schedule, so if you would like me to come to your company or to speak at your event, just get in touch. I would love to make the most of this trip to Australia. So the place to do that is the website tabar.biz, tabar.biz/Lisette, Lisette. So hope to see you soon.